Welcome to my project presentation. I have created a small business called Heritage Wood Designs. It is a company built on something that I truly love, being able to be created and then share that with others. The business idea and model. Heritage Wood Designs is a production-based business model. We create personalized wood signs with many choices, from font, size, and color to a quote, scripture, or a saying. After it is created, it is then shipped directly to your home. When it gets there, it is ready to hang. And it is all handcrafted from quality pine or authentic barnwood. The choice is yours here at Heritage Wood Designs. What makes us unique is that at Heritage Wood Designs, we take pride in creating unique wood signs with your personal touch. Every home deserves to have decor that fit you and your family. So you get to choose the size, the fonts that you see right over here, the colors, the personal saying, of course, or the quote, favorite scripture, or even a memory. The process and the product. To begin with, we start with high quality products, either high quality pine wood or a barnwood that we find. Then it is all cut to your personalized size. After that, it is painted to the color scheme of your choice, and then the saying is hand painted and personalized. It is then framed with high quality products in a farmhouse style frame. Here's one of the finished products. This is a beautiful hand painted personalized sign done with high quality craftsmanship. This sign was done for a family who loved the Seattle Seahawks. One of the quotes the sayings that they use before they do anything from sports to music to whatever is leave no doubt, meaning go do everything that you need to do and leave no doubt that you've done your best. So this sign means a lot to this family, and it will remind them every time they see it to leave no doubt that they've done their best. The successes that we've had here at Heritage Wood Designs is #1 in our product and our design. It's all made with high quality and it's made with love. We've also been able to advertise through social media and word of mouth. And of course, the biggest success is our sales so far. Here's our profit and loss. Our profit, as you can see in our profit and loss, from the week that we started to sell to about week 4, we've had a huge profit compared to the cost of our products and the cost of making them. And as you can see, our future has a huge growth rate. Because supply costs are low, the time in production is medium to low, and the cost is comparable or even lower than several others. As you can see, we have a low cost in production and a high profit margin. Why would you invest with Heritage Wood Designs? Well, you would invest with Heritage Wood Designs because home design is always a strong market. Heritage Wood Designs is adaptable to change in trends. There's a low production cost, and it is family owned and operated. So here at Heritage Wood Designs, we know that we have high quality, handcrafted products that people love, that remind them of special moments in their life or sayings that uplift them and make them feel good. We thank you so much for taking time to watch our presentation.